Hello everyone, how you doing? It's Tuesday. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is more special because a lot of you have been asking so many questions. How do you prime your video? When do I prime my video? And how do you do this and how do you do that? And that is why I prepared this video for you, to tell you how to do it and when to do it and how to organize yourself to get that target you ever wanted. Priming a video is just something awesome for us creators and our audience. So make sure you watch this video to the end before you dive into the whole thing. So a lot of you have been asking this question on how to premiere and why do we premiere a video. Premiere video is just in between the live streaming we normally do and the traditional video uploads that we do always as a creator. So priming a video is just in the middle of the two of them, alright? This is a way of reloading a video, okay? And having a live chat at the section, a live chat section open for us, the creator and the viewers or your audience to be able to interact about the video or see something else, but try to get that interaction between the creator and the audience on the live chat while the video is going on. On every premiere, there is a section for the monetized channel. We have a section for donation where you can click and donate to the channel, a way of you supporting the creators. On the live chat, you have a lot of things going on there. And remember, before the premiere starts, there is always a countdown, alright? There is always a countdown before logging into the main chat and on the video proper, okay? So these are the features of premiere. Premiere is just, when you look at it, the word premiere and video, movie, it's just the same thing. They always use in video sections and video technical words, all right? Just meaning uploading or watching a new video. It's just like you going to the cinema watching the new video for the first time. This is exactly how is related. The same thing is related on premiering a video on YouTube. This is a way us creators are just calling out our audience. Hey, I have a new video, come check me out, alright? For me, I think it's a good thing for you to make an announcement intro to the video. Maybe putting up a poll or something. Hey guys, I have a video, having a premiere, and maybe on Tuesday, on Wednesday, check me out by 5 p.m. This is a way of you publicizing your intention, trying to tell us what is coming out, what we are expecting from you, alright? And that is what the essence of premiere video is. And it's something very good and very nice, and it's a very good connection between your audience and the creators. But doing a live stream is very much very good for that interaction on a very long range. Rules to priming a video. If you're verified, if you're unverified channel, okay, that is you're not monetized, you have a limit for priming a video. Let me say it's from 2 minutes to, let me say, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the maximum length you can do. But if your channel is verified or monetized, that is when you can upload a video from 15 minutes even to 12 hours. What's important is the engagement of your viewers on the chat. That is the most important thing with priming your video, and that is the major thing for priming the video. There are so many benefits of priming a video. One of them is priming a video is a way to alert your viewers that you have a new content coming up for them. So we are all relaxed and waiting for you that particular day on the chat. Priming a video helps to have a watch party, and that is why now we usually call it the watch gang, because I'm the watch gang. So this part of it, that's the fun of priming a video. The major thing for priming a video is for you to get more views and for you to get more engagement on the chat. And getting that engagement is a way of you to trigger or to increase your average viewers duration on that video, and which is very good, because the more higher the average viewers retention or duration on that video, and the more hours that video generates for you. So, and that is how Remember, before priming a video, there's one thing that's very, very important that you have to do. You should go back to your analytics, go back to your YT Studio and check out your audience. When are your audience are online? All right, you gotta check out the audience chart to know when they are online. When date, check out the days and the time they are there. So when there is a mass number of people of your audience online, that is when you prime your video for you to get the attention of a lot of people on the chart. And because the more people on the chart, your active chart, the more average retention or duration of that video, and more views and more hours this video get for you, and the first minute to 2 hours of release of that video. So you have to check it out to know when the purple lines are so dark, shows when most of your viewers are online. You check out the time and post your video exactly that time. So when it's so faint, don't post your video. This is just logic, but actually for me, it works for me, all right? It works for me, and it varies. It's not the same thing. I know 2 weeks ago, mine is always 4 p.m., but now I notice it's now 5 p.m., 6 p.m. So you don't just say it's always 4 p.m. It's not like that. It's always changing. It varies every week. So make sure you're checking out your chart before you post your video, all right? Check out the time factor is very, very important. You don't have your viewers by 6 p.m. and you posting your video by 12 p.m. All right, that is wrong. So this is a way of you generating your viewers on the chart, okay, for your video. It's very, very important. Check out your audience chart, before you post. How to prime the video? You go on the section your YT Studio or Analytics or YT Studio, you click on that, you go to upload. When you uploaded those videos there, okay, they're there. You click on the one that you want and it will open. You go to the section of the video, on the section you see a public schedule, you click on the schedule, it will now open. Then if you're ready to go for premiere immediately, that means the video you have finished, put in the description section, the title, the tags and everything, and you save it in some of your playlists and check out if the video is for children or is for adults. You must make sure you take care of all those things before you prime your video. So when you're done with all those things, you go back to your schedule and click public. When you click public, there is another thing under your schedule. You now see it, you click it and it will open. You see the calendars. The calendars are all there, all right? You now choose the month you want. Take out the time or the date, the particular date that you want this video to go on premiere. So you click on the date and then time. You click on the time and make sure you click the time and set the time that you wanted. Make sure your GMT is correct, all right? If you're in England or in London, make sure your time is correct. And if you're in let me say if you're in New York or in Italy, make sure your time is correct. Make sure you choose the time GMT for your country, okay, and leave it there. When I come to your preview and look at it, I'm gonna see it on my phone, the time factor on my own phone, my own time zone. So I'm gonna join in there. But one thing you should do for the creator when you get into that premium chart or premium page, what you're gonna do is put on the bell so that you will know when the person is coming up or when the premiere or countdown just started. That is why that bell is there and it's called reminder, okay? That is what you can do to the creator. If you've got the premiere on time and it's not ready, you can put the reminder for you to come back. Publish, okay? And when you click premiere and you click publish, and everything is just done, okay? There is no other thing you're gonna do, and your video is there on air, but we can't watch it until the countdown is done and people can watch the video. So this is how to premiere a video, and I hope after this video a lot of you are gonna go and premiere your video. It's very good and very healthy for our channel. For monetized channel, it's very good for your algorithm. For all monetized channel, it's very good for your algorithm and all that. So that is why if you can still prime your video. If you're making a video every day, it could be a little bit boring premiere your video every day, all right? But if you're putting up a video every day, it's essential that you prime your video, all right, to try to get a lot of people at the first hour to that video, because you're not posting every day. So if you're posting every day and doing it, could be a little bit boring for your viewers. But if you're not posting every day, you can always use it. It's very, very good. It's a way of advertising, or let me say promoting that content before the main video viewing. Okay, thank you, and I hope by the end of the video all of you will understand how to prep a video, especially our young upcoming tubers. Okay, tubers, you just joined newly, make sure you always join my live streaming so that you get to know and meet new friends and organic friends that will help you grow and support your channel as well. And if you're still coming up and you're still having problems with your thumbnails and your channel art, please check out this one for your thumbnails and watch the video. It's going to help you a lot to build those thumbnails. And if you're having problems creating your channel art and banners, having that standard as a content creator, check out this video and watch it. These are 1 and 2. So watch the first one is a tutorial, okay, on a theoretical section, and watch the second one, which is this one, and which is a practical section where I go on step to step on how to do those channel art or your banner on canva.com. So if you want to know things that are involved, things that you have to do before creating a YouTube channel, check out for this video. This video is going to give you the tips of things that you have to do and how to get to that level. Make sure you watch this video. It's going to help you a lot. And you want to know about your healthy living and all that, I have some content on that I started with. You can check out this playlist. I have a lot of content there you can watch out. It's going to help you for your weight loss. And if you're trying to be inspired and you're going through a lot right now, like each and every one of us, what does inspirational and motivational talks is going to help you a lot. So this is all I have to do. I'm going to dash off right now, and I hope you guys watch to the end and you're going to learn a lot of things. And make sure in the comment section, tell me what you want to see on this channel, the videos that you want me to produce or you want me to do or work on. I want to see it on the comment section. If you have any question, you can still leave it for me there. I love to read, and you guys help me a lot in making my contents. Thank you, and see you guys some other time. Ciao, arrivederci. This is the first time you watching my video, make sure you leave your comment and press the like button if you like what you see, and make sure you always come back to watch other content. Subscribers, I love you all. Okay, so let's watch more from my channel. Thank you, and God bless you all. I love you all with the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys, and God bless you. See you on the next video.